Hey, I'm Sabarinath. This is HealthPath, something me and my team, Rishav and Felipe, built for the USAII Global AI Hackathon. I want to tell you more where this actually came from because it matters. We're from three different countries: Colombia, India, and I'm here in Singapore. And when we first got on a call to figure out what to build, we each told a version of the same story. Someone we knew or knew of got denied a medication or a claim, and it wasn't that the help didn't exist, it's that nobody ever explained how to actually get it, what form, what office, what law even applies to you. So a lot of people just stop, not because they're not entitled to help, just because nobody handed them a map. And we kind of looked at each other and went, what if an AI just did that? Walked you through it the way a friend would, a friend who happened to know the system. That's health path. You just tell it what's going on in your own words. However, you'd actually say to a person, and it figures out the rest. What your real rights are, what the actual document should say, filled in with your real details, and one clear thing to do next. Not a list, just one thing that matters now. Okay, let me just show you instead of talking. This is running locally on my laptop right now. Let me just type this. I'll type this, or actually, there's a mic built in, so I could just say it too. So while that's working, let me tell you what's actually happening right now behind the scenes. Before this message even reaches the model, it passes through a step we built with N8N that scrubs personal information out of it. That mattered a lot to us, honestly. People are telling us real things, sometimes ID numbers, prescription details, denial letters, and we didn't want any of that just sitting around unprotected. And if that scrubbing step ever can't be reached, the system doesn't break. It just flags that this one went through unscrubbed, so nothing fails silently. At the same time, it's pulling from a legal database we built ourselves. Real statutes, organized per country, so when it cites something, it's not guessing. It's actually grounded in the law for wherever you are. And if it needs something current, an office address, a phone number, it can run a live web search instead of relying on whatever it happened to learn during training. And there it is. Look at this. It's not saying go talk to someone and leaving you to figure it out. It's citing an actual law that's real, not made up. It's written the letter with my information already filled in. No brackets left for me to deal with. And down here, just the one next step, not 10 links. And if I'd had an actual photo of a denial letter instead of typing this out, I could have just uploaded it. It reads straight off the image, pulls the claim number, the date, and uses those. So, underneath all of this, it's running on Claude with that legal retrieval system doing the grounding work I just mentioned and live web search filling in anything that needs to be current. And this part genuinely mattered to us more than anything else. HealthPath will never give medical advice, not a diagnosis, not a you should take this instead. It says so right here plainly in the app. And if someone says something that sounds like a real emergency, it just stops. It gives them emergency contacts and steps back. That's not the AI's call to make. That's a real person's job, always. This was genuinely a team thing, start to finish. Rishav, Felipe, thank you truly. Three countries, three time zones, and somehow we pull this together, which honestly feels right for something that's all about people figuring out systems across borders. This is HealthPath by Team Tribyte. Thanks so much for watching.